Guys, kindly unmute yourself.
Yes,
Will you
sir.
people talk with me? Yes, sir. Guys, who is the Sagar? One person is there. Who is the member? Who is the Sagar, guys? Guys, please join with the unique QID. Otherwise, simply we will remove from the class itself, guys. Please join with the unique QID. Otherwise, we will remove from the class itself. Never ask me here. Even if you remove here, never ask me here also. Because getting the little bit angry before the session itself, guys. Because along with you people, guys, within 10 to 15 days, around 50 members will join. We can't filter the people. So try to join with the unique QIDs. Fine. Guys, let me share the screen for you. Guys, anyone completed yesterday assignment?
Yes, sir.
Guys, anyone? Anyone, not only Saurav, we are remaining people also. Not only Saurav, anyone completed the yesterday assignment? Avinash, assignment.
Not completed, sir.
Next one, guys, remaining
Sir,
people.
sir, I am facing a problem in that my project, like a CSS, how to apply the CSS in that nav bar, like a menu bar, like that, sir. Because of that, is not come to the arrangement lines. Because of I'm right now I'm working like the bootstrap on the nav bar using the menu bar, so it's not coming in the line. So how to do that, sir? How to
If I see the code, I think that is not the single line answer. Na? If I see the complete code, then we can help you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no, fine. Guys, let me open the Visual Studio Code. We should be in a position. We need to open the Visual Studio Code. Fine. After opening the Visual Studio Code, itself, simply we need to open the Visual Studio Code here. After opening the Visual Studio Code, file. What is our folder, guys? What is our folder? Will you people tell me what is our folder? Our folder is UI10am. Our folder is UI10am. Guys, here itself here, simple, very basic level examples we need to see. I don't want to go for the max examples. Okay? I don't want to go for the good examples. I need to go for the basic level examples. Fine. Guys, someone asked me, sir, please tell the web SQL also. Someone asked me, please tell the web SQL also. Can I see the API of WebSQL? Can I see the API of WebSQL?
Yes, sir.
Respond, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Can
sir.
I go for the someone asked, I don't know, guys. Someone asked me, sir, just to tell the basic example which is related to WebSQL also. Fine. Can I create one folder? Which folder? WebSQL folder. We should be in a position. We need to create one folder. The folder is the WebSQL folder. We need to create. Guys, after creating WebSQL folder, which HTML we need to create? Which HTML we need to create? We need to create one HTML. Which HTML we need to create? We should be in a position. We need to create one HTML. Which HTML we need to create? Index.html file. Fine. You guys see this one again. Here itself. Let me go for the WebSQL API. Myself also, I don't know that WebSQL API. So let me see the WebSQL API we need to verify. WebSQL API. WebSQL in HTML5. WebSQL in HTML5. Something we need to open that one. After opening WebSQL, any one of the website here, we can open any one of the website, not an issue. Let me open any one of the website, not an issue again. Once if you open any one of the website, our main goal is we need to understand. Our main goal is we need to understand that regarding that WebSQL. Fine. Guys, try to say this one again. Yes, guys, say this one. Is WebSQL client-side database? Respond to first question. Is WebSQL? Say this one again. Is WebSQL client-side database? Yes.
Yes, sir.
WebSQL is the first point. Guys, I don't know API. I opened the randomly Google, then we are seeing this one. Easily we can understand here. WebSQL is client-side database. Okay, na? Next one. Client-side means what? Browser-side database. Yes, sir. At a browser side, if you want to apply SQL queries, at a browser side, if you want to apply SQL queries, at that time we need to go for WebSQL.
Okay.
At the browser side, this is the browser na. Is the browser or not? At the browser side, in the browser side, if you want to apply SQL and MySQL, at that time we need to go for the web SQL database. Yes, see this one. Let me go for the one point here. Yeah, I think see this one. Avinash, tell the point here. Web SQL is
client side.
Client side database. Client side database. One more point. By using
Web
WebSQL, by using WebSQL API, we can perform, we can apply SQL queries. We can apply SQL queries at the client side. We can apply SQL queries at the client side. Client side in the sense, in the bracket, can I keep the browser itself?
Yes,
Can I
sir.
keep the browser in the bracket itself?
Yes.
The bracket itself, we need to place the browser side key. Yes, guys, can I go for the API methods? Can I go for the API methods? Yes. We should be in a position. We need to go for the API methods. So many API methods are there. Sagar, can you talk with me, Sagar? Sagar, can you talk with me, Sagar?
Yes, sir.
You are from which class?
Yeah, today it is my first class.
Yes. Say this one again. Guys, one more point. One more point is the, let me say this one. Guys, what is the first method
Any
we
problem
have?
on that?
No. What is the first method? What is the first method here?
Open database.
Method now. The first method is the guys, Shankar. You may ask us, sir, from where these methods are getting. These methods provided by the vendor, ready-made methods. You know the utility methods na. In our core Java, utility methods are available or not. In our core Java, you have the utility methods. Here also in the HTML5 also we have the some utility methods. These methods will help to work on the web SQL. What is the first method? Open database. What is the second method? What is the second method? Transaction method. Second method is the transaction method. What is the third method? Execute SQL method. The third method is the execute SQL. Guys, I don't know that API here. Please support me how to do that. Fun. Understand the line code line by line also. We should be in a position understand the code line by line here. Guys, try to say this one again. Here itself. How to open the database with the help of which function?
Open database.
With the help
Open
of which
database.
function? Open database. Guys, what is the argument one? Database name. Database name. What is the argument two? Version of the database. What is the argument three? Description of the database. What is the size of the database? Size we need to pass 2 into 1024 into 2 into 1024 into some size. Whatever the size is there, that size we need to pass. What is the next one again? So what is the next one we need to pass?
Sir, it's on MB now, sir.
Yeah, MB, maybe MB, some 2 MB or something. If we calculate here, we are getting the some MB. Next one, guys, one more point. If a database opens successfully, which function will execute? On success create will execute. If a database opens successfully, automatically on success create function will be executed. Guys, see this one. What is open database? Open database is the, respond here. What is the open database? Open database is the utility method. Open database is the utility method. Open database is the predefined method. Open database is the predefined method. Open database method is used to create the database. Is used to what? Is used to create the database. Guys, it is taking how many arguments? First one is the name of the database. What is the second one? Version of the database. What is the third one? Description of the database. What is the fourth one? Size of the database. The fourth one is the size of the database. What is the fifth one? Callback function. What is the fifth one here? Callback function. We have the one more function. The function is the callback function again. Guys, will you people help me how to do that one again? Guys, how to represent the HTML5? How to represent the HTML5? Not to doc type. Say this one again. Not to doc type HTML. Shankar, respond. Here itself, who is the root element? Avinash, who is the root element? Root element is the HTML. HTML divided into how many sections?
Two parts.
What is the first section? Head is section.
Equivalence,
What is the
body.
second section? The second section is the body section. The first section is the head section here. The second section is the body section. I think Avinash this one. Can I go for the title?
Yes, sir.
Can I go for the title? The title is the WebSQL API. The title is the, what is the title? We need to see. The title is the WebSQL API. Whatever the WebSQL API is, that WebSQL API we need to place. Guys, next one, see this one. Can I write the script code here? Can I write the script code here? Yes. Let me write the script code here. What are the script code is there? What are the script code is there? That script code we need to place. So guys, how to open the database? Guys, how to open the database
function
we
by
should
the
be in a position. We should be in a position. We need to open the database. How can I open the database here? With the help of which function? With the help of which function? With the help of one function here. The function is the which function here? Open database function. Check the spellings also, guys, because I don't know that spellings also. Open database function. Here itself, we have one function here. Which function we have? Open database function. Guys, what is the argument one? Argument one is the argument one is the database name. UI 10 AM. The database name is the UI 10 AM. Next one. What is the argument to? What is the argument to?
Value.
No, argument to is the version. Version of the version of the database. What is the argument 3? Description. Description. See this one again. Test to database. Test to database. What is the fourth one? Fourth one is the size itself. Fourth one is the size itself here. The fourth one is the size itself. So I hope, guys, if I calculate this one, I hope we are getting the 2 MB, maybe 1 MB, 2 MB. We don't know, just to calculate that one. What is the next one? Whenever the database opens successfully, automatically one function will be executed. Automatically one function will be executed. What is that function? Success callback function. See this one, guys. This function will execute automatically if a database opens successfully. Automatically success callback function will be executed. What are the success callback function is there? That success callback function will be executed here. Next one, see this one here, guys. Try to see this one here. Here itself, this is the database object now. Can I cast the database object here?
Yes, sir. Yes,
let
Yes.
DB object here. Let the DB object. Shankar, which function we need to create a
Success callback.
Guys, see this one here. Function, which function? Success callback function.
Success callback.
Guys, see this one. Guys, this API I don't know, guys, but a basic example we are doing. Remember that one here. Whatever the API is there, we don't know that API here. But random first time also I am seeing that one here. So with the help of Google, we need to do that one. Guys, I hope it's not the great example here. Maybe dummy example. Guys, see this one here. Alert of what you wanted to print again, or console.log of db. Console.log of db or something we need to place. Can I click the go live option? Please click the go live option. Yes, sir. Guys, can you open the console itself? Yes, sir. We should be in a position. Cannot access the db before its initialization. Cannot access the db before its initialization. Success. Let me place the success itself. Yes, so we got the success now, guys. So the connection opened successfully. Maybe if the connection opens successfully, then this function will be executed. Otherwise, this function never be executed again. Guys,
we cannot directly execute the DB,
because after that you need to create what? After that you need to open the connection. After creating the database, I hope you need to open the database. No need to worry. That one also we need to see here. Let me see that one also.
If we do not pass the success callback method, then
nothing will be happening here. I think that is also one of the advantages of the JavaScript.
I think it will call automatically, sir.
No, it never call here. Guys, say this one. How to create and open the database. Guys, you people need to tell how to create and open the database. At least one person, guys. We should be in a position. We need to create and open the database. How to create and open the database with the help of which function? With the help of which function? Database function. Open database function. Guys, argument one. What is the name of the database? Database. Argument one is the database name. Guys, argument two is the version of the database. Argument two is the maybe version of the database. Guys, is it a string or number? We don't know, guys. Is it a string or number? Version of the database. It's a number now. It's a number. So let me pass the number of the version of the database. Guys, what is the third argument? Description. Description,
Yes,
say this
yes.
one again. Description, which is description, text to database.
That.
Next one, what is the fourth argument? Size, 2
Size
MB
of the
guys.
database.
I
Two
hope we need to
Size
get the 2
into
MB. 2 into
1024
into 1024
1024, 2
into
into 1024, 2 into
into
1024 into
1024.
1024 into 1024 guys. No need to pass the success callback here. So because of that reason here, everyone hating the JavaScript standards guys. See this one, even though if you are not passing the size also, it won't throw any error guys. These options are optional. So this no standards with the JavaScript guys. Because of this reason, ES6 came to the market, ES11 came to the market. So many things are there. So try
Sir,
to
the
catch
default size of the database.
default. It will take the default size, guys. How to catch the database object again? Variable to open the variable to create the database object. Variable to create the database object. Guys, say this one. After that, we need to perform any transaction. We need to perform any transaction like creating the table, inserting the data, updating the data, deleting the data. So many transactions we need to perform. So many transactions we need to perform. How to do the transaction? db.transaction. Simply we need to go for the db.transaction. Guys, argument is the callback function. Argument is the callback function. Say this one again. Argument is the callback function. For the callback function, we got the some transaction object. We got some transaction object. By using that transaction object, we need to execute one query. We should be in a position, we need to execute one query. How can I execute query? Execute SQL. Guys, I'm not sure about the API. Executed SQL correct? Execute SQL correct? Yes or not? Execute SQL correct again. Guys, say this one again. How to create one table? Create table, which table? Products table. Create a table, products table. We need to place here. Next one, guys. Do you people know data types again? Do you people know data types here? What is the first one again? The first one is the ID here. The first one is the product ID. Product ID. Data type, guys. We need to go for the data type na. Data type equal to unique na. Can I pass the unique?
Yes,
Unique na. Spelling is correct na. Spelling is correct na. Next one. Say this one here. Next one. What you wanted to place here? Product name. Product name equal to which data type we need to place? Product name equal to which data type? Is it possible to mention the data type?
Yes,
Where karna?
Yes, where
Where of 20 na? Maybe here. Next one, guys, say this one can. Can I go for the P cost also? P cost also na? P cost. What is the data type you wanted to mention? Number. Guys, I'm not sure about these data types, guys. I'm not sure about these data types here. Don't worry here. Never worry here. If you're getting any error here, then we will open the website here. Then we will see that one here. Okay na?
Number is the data type.
Number is the data type na? Sure na?
Yes,
Number is the data type or something we have. Guys, try to execute this code. Whatever the code is there, that code we need to execute here. Let me execute this code again. Here itself, we should be in a position we need to execute the code here. Guys, how to open the database? We need to go for the application. Then we need to go for the web SQL here. Here itself, we have on a database na, guys. We have on a database na. Which database we have? Products table. We have some table na. We have one table now. Which table we have here? Products table is there. So the table is created successfully or not?
Yes, sir.
Table is created successfully. Guys, after creating the table, guys, if you don't mind, can you tell me how to insert the data? If you don't mind, can you tell me how to insert the data? At least one person, guys. Transaction dot execute SQL of insert into
table name.
Insert into
Products.
products values of no need to pass the PID na. No need to pass the PID na. No need to pass, or do I need to pass?
Need to pass.
Sir, at first inside into products.
One comma product, one comma product, one comma. What is the next one? 10,000. 10,000 again. Fine. Can I refresh it again? Refresh it again. Once if you refresh here, try to say this one again. Go to the web SQL. Go to the web SQL here. If you go to the web SQL here, 10 p.m. na, please open the products itself here. Products table is empty. Why empty?
No, sir. Sir, at first insert into first of all you need to write the fields, then values.
There's a mandatory na.
Yes, sir. Mandatory, sir.
insert into products, you are saying the fields first
Yes,
of all.
sir. PID,
Can I tell the
unique ID, yes, sir. All
yeah
of these.
insert into, say this one again, insert
But
into
now
products.
First
What
bracket,
you wanted
yes,
to
sir.
place PID,
Right,
is
sir.
it mandatory? I think like
it's not mandatory.
it's not
Mandatory, sir.
mandatory. Fine. PID,
If
PID,
next one is
PName,
the P name, next one is the P
P
cost.
cost. And
P
then
cost.
you
Next
write
one,
down the
values
values.
na, values na,
VALUES.
values of, say this one here, values of, say this one
First
here,
bracket, yes,
values
sir.
of 1 comma,
That's right, sir.
1 comma, product 1 comma, 1 comma, product 1 comma, 10,000. That is not mandatory, but anyhow, let me say this one.
need your
No, we are not getting na. We are not getting na. Let me reload it to the browser. We need to reload it once again. Try to reload it once again. We need to reload it once again. Localhost colon 5500. Localhost colon, say this one again. Localhost colon, what is the port number? The port number is the 5500 na. Localhost colon, the port number is the 5500. Fine. Guys, which example?
WebSQL.
WebSQL. Under the WebSQL, HTML file opened successfully. Fine. Go to the UI 10 AM. Go to the UI 10 AM products.
Yes,
This
sir.
place,
Oh, awesome.
data inserted na. No here, no.
Then row
No
ID
here,
also created.
no here. Query is not the correct. Query
Yes,
is not,
sir.
I think. Query is not correct here. No here. I think no need to follow this standard. No need to follow that standard. We can go for our old standard also. TX dot execute SQL of execute SQL of.
But sir, when I was learned the SQL, then this is the syntax, sir. At first the insert into, then the table.
No, this is also syntax and this is also syntax.
Yes, syntax. This is also syntax.
When you want to particular column.
Shankar, you are ready na? You are ready. 20,000. 20,000 we needed to place. Fine. Let me refresh it again. We need to refresh it again. Guys, close it here. Just to try to open it once again. We need to open it once again. Localhost colon 5500. Localhost colon, we should be in a position. We need to place the 5500 again. Next one. Go to the WebSQL. Go to the WebSQL. Open the terminal here. Open the terminal here. Yes. No here. No. That record is not inserting here. No. This is also, guys, see this one. This is also syntax. This is also syntax. This is all syntax, but this syntax is not working here. What are the syntax is it? The syntax is not working here, so no need to worry.
This syntax is what?
Yeah, this is syntax is not working here. Just leave it here. Guys, and one more point. Guys, don't fill the repetitions or something, guys. Please tell me, because we're able to execute the SQL queries now. Can you help me here? How to create the database and how to open the database? How to create and how to open the database? At least one person. Let DB object equal to DB object equal to anyone. Which function?
Open database.
Guys, what is the name of the database? The name of the database is the UI 10 name. Guys, what is the version of the database? 1.0. Guys, what is the description here? What is the description here? Ashok IT training class. Ashok IT training classes. Something we need to place. Next one. What is the next one? Size 2 into 1024 into 2 into 1024 into 1024. This is the size we need to pass. Guys, callbacks are optional. If you want to pass it. If you don't want to pass, ignore it. Guys, not only that one, this is description, version, everything is optional, guys. If you want to pass it here, or just ignore it here, not an issue. So automatically we're getting the database object now. Can I perform one transaction? DB dot transaction of what you wanted to place. DB dot transaction of, can I pass the callback function? Everyone, can I pass the callback function? Yes, so we should be in a position we need to pass the callback function. If a transaction method executed successfully, automatically transaction object is created. If a transaction, guys, say this one. If a transaction function executed successfully, automatically transaction object created successfully. Guys, say this one. How to create the table? Transaction dot which function? Transaction dot which function? Execute SQL function. Execute SQL function. Guys, how to create one table? Create. How to create one table? Create table. Which table? Create a table. Which table? Products table. Here it's also this one here. Product ID. Product ID equal to unique na. Unique. Next one. Product name equal to What you wanted to place here? Varchar of 20 here. Product name varchar of 20. Next one. Say this one here. Product cost. Product cost equal to product cost equal to number. Say this one here. Product image equal to what you wanted to place. Product image equal to product image equal to varchar of 20 here. Shankar, if you go for the blob, we may not. Fun. Say this one again. Next one. Say this one. One more point is the how to insert the data. How to insert the data. Transaction data. Transaction data.
By the varchar, we have only the image name and path.
Yes, say this one. How to insert the data. Insert into what you wanted to place. Products. Insert into products. Guys, can I take the table? Can I take the table here?
Yes.
Fields. What is the first field? Product ID.
PID.
Product ID. What is the second field?
Name.
Product name.
P9.
What is the next field? What is the next field?
Cost.
Product cost.
Product
What is the next field? What is the next field? Product image. Next one. Values of. Guys, values of. How many values we need to pass? Values
Four
of guys.
values,
How many
four
values we need
values.
to pass? 4 values. 1 comma. See this one here. 1 comma. Shut 1 comma. Shut 1 comma. Next one is the 1,000 rupees comma image. We need to insert one image na.
Yes, the
We
location.
need to insert one image. Let me check with the Google. Can I insert one image or not? We need to see. See this one. We should be in a position. We need to insert one image. Fun. See this one. Here itself, whatever the image is there, that image we need to insert again. Let me check the cloud images, guys. We need to verify the cloud images, whether we have the cloud images or not. We need to verify. Someone mute yourself here, guys. Kindly mute yourself. Guys, so these are the cloud images. Just open with the help of Chrome itself, whether it's opening or not. We wanted to see. Yes, guys, images are opening now. So this is the image path now.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the image path. That image path we need to store here. Whatever the image path is there, that image path we need to store. So can I copy it? Can I copy it?
Yes.
Can I paste the 6 times? Because in the cloud we have the 6 images. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 images are there. Guys, enhance it here. Later, you people, you need to enhance it after getting the API understanding. Then you need to enhance yourself here. P6, nearly 6 images are there. Just to change the information also.
Yes,
Number
sir.
equal to what? Number equal to what? 2. Number equal to what? 3. Number equal to what? 4. Number equal to what? 5. Number equal to what? 6. What is the name of the shard? The name of the shard is the shard 2. What is the name of the shard? Shard 3. Here itself, what is the name of the product here? The name of the product is the pant 1. Next one is the, and here itself, we need to place the pant 2. And here itself, we should be in a position, we need to place the pant 3. Pant 1, I think something we need to place here. Whatever we have here, that one we need to place it here. Next one, guys, see this one here. One more point is the, let me go for the, guys, run the code up to now. Whatever the code is there, that code we need to run up to now. Okay, please try to run the code up to now. Let me run the code up to now here. Whatever the code is there, that code we need to run up to now. Yes. How to check the web SQL? How to check the web SQL? This is the web SQL now.
Yes.
Yes or not? This is the web SQL now. This is the web SQL. Why we are not getting here? Run it once again here. Localhost colon 5500 na. Localhost colon 5500. Localhost colon 5500 or something we need to place. Localhost colon 5500. Guys, go to the web SQL. Please check this one again. Guys, this is the old data na.
Yes, sir.
This is the old data na. Can you remove that data? Check this one. Is it possible to remove that data or not? Guys, change the table name itself. At least to change the table name itself here. UI class. UI. Just to place the UI here. We should be in a position we need to place the UI itself. Yes, UI created. Under the UI, we have the products. Yes, guys. Data inserted or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, the data inserted into web SQL na. Web SQL. Guys, don't think like this is a super database. No, yeah. If it's a super database, everyone happy they can use it. This is not the super database, but a facility provided by the browser itself. Browsers providing this kind of facility. Never think like this is the super database or something. Never think like that. Fun. Guys, say this one. Can I fetch the data? Guys, is it possible to fetch that data? At least one person, guys.
Yes.
Is it possible to fetch that data, guys?
Yes, sir.
We should be in a position. We should be in a position. We need to
Select
fetch that data.
by the
So,
select query.
yeah, see this one here. How can I fetch the data? Will you people help me here? Once again, please help me here. How can I fetch the data? Observe
By the
this one.
select query.
Here itself, guys. Can I use that object once again?
Yes.
DB object, DB object dot which function
Execute.
transaction function of
Function.
transaction object transaction object here. I think we can use above itself, but let me check it whether Q is the DB object once again or not. We need to check. Guys, how to execute the query? Guys, how to execute the query?
Execute
Will you
SQL.
people help me here? How to execute the query here? If you want to execute the query, see this one here. TX dot what you wanted to place execute SQL. What is the query here? Select star from
table name.
select a star from table name.
Table name.
Select a star from what? Products.
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 Guys,
Yes, sir.
I don't know here in the API they provided one syntax here. The API they provided some syntax here. Which is syntax they provided here? Some dependencies syntaxes. We will see it here. What is that dependency syntax? We will see here. Next one. Third argument is the callback function here. What is the third argument? The third argument is the callback function here. For the callback function, how many parameters we need to pass? Transaction object. Next one is the transaction object. Next one, what you wanted to pass? Result. Transaction object we need to pass here. Next one is the we should be in a position we need to pass the result here. Next one, guys, say this one here. Can I print the result here?
Yes, sir.
Can I print
Yes.
the result here?
Yes, sir.
Console dot log off what you want to print here? Result. Console dot log off result here. What are the result is there? That result we are able to print here. Yes, guys, say this one here. We are able to print the result now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where we are able to print the result here. We are able to print the result into console itself now.
Yes.
Console itself now, guys. This result internally contain which object? This result internally contain which object? Rows object now. Result internally contain which object here? Rows object or not? Rows object here.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Insert the rows only, then we're able to get the data. Tell me here.
sir, this web SQL is need to be the install.
No, Narendra. I hope
No
this
need
is
to
inbuilt.
install.
See
Okay,
this
sir.
one here.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
see
I
this
don't
one
know
here.
because of
Yeah,
this
no. It is available in the browser itself. I think browser itself here. I think I don't know. 2 days back here, one person he told me, "Sir, please tell the web SQL also." Before that one also, I don't know whether the web SQL concept is there or not. But I checked with the browser itself. The browser contain the web SQL concept. Okay, na? It contain the web SQL concept here, so no need to worry. Fine. Next one, guys. See this one here. After getting the rows itself, guys. First of all, print the. You people need to see here. First of all, print the result itself, guys. We need to print the result itself here. Console dot log of result, guys. After getting the result itself, guys, analyze that result. Analyze that result here. What is the result we need to analyze, guys? This is the result we are getting now. This is the result we are getting or not? Talk with me here.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Object, guys. In this result object, what we have here? Rows object now.
Yes.
We have the rows object na, yes or not? We have the rows object. Whatever the rows object is there. Whatever the rows object is there, that rows object is there. Can I print that rows object? Can I print that rows object, guys? Anyone? Let me print that rows object. What are the rows object is there? That rows object we need to print. Where is the code? Yes, sir. Result dot rows object. Rows object here. So, guys, if we print the rows object directly, we are getting the response itself na.
Yes.
Directly we are
Yes.
getting the response itself na. Directly we are getting the response itself. So give me the second, guys. I need to verify that one. How to print that one? We need to verify that one. Guys, I don't know here. They told the one more function again. Which function they told here? Item of 0. What is item of 0? We need to see. Undefined na. Undefined na. See this one here. Rows. Rows of 0, guys. Rows of 0. If we go for the rows of 0, yes, guys, we got the 0th object now.
Past record.
We got the 0th object now. If I place the 1, we are getting the second object now. If I place the 2, we are getting the third object now. Yes, guys. Finally, you people are saying to me, sir, result dot rows is the array. That's the point you were saying or not?
Yes.
Well, you people are saying to me, result dot rows is the array. Yes or not? Fine.
Yes.
Will you help me here how to create one table to me? Will you help me here how to create one table? Respond here. We should be in a position. We need to create one table. How can I create the table again? How can I create the table again? Say this one again. Here itself.
TS
Document data. Guys, document data right off. Document dot write off. Which tag
Awesome,
we need
great.
to take?
Table
Which
tag.
tag we need to take care? We need to take the table tag here. We need to take the table tag here. Under the table tag here, and here itself we need to take the, and here itself we need to take the tr here. Under the tr tag, how many ths we need to take care?
1, 2, 3.
How many
Four,
ths
four.
we need to take care? Say
Four.
this one here, second th, third th. Say this one here,
Acha.
1, 2, 3, 4 na? 4.
Yes, sir.
Say this one here, 4 ths we need to take care. Fine. Under the first one here, what is the first field? First field is the product ID. Product ID. What is the second field? Second field is the, what is the second
Product
field?
name.
Product name. What is the third
Cost.
field here? What is the
Product
third field
cost.
here? The third
Cost.
field is the product cost. So what is the
The
next
image.
field? Next field is the product image here. The next field is the here itself. We're able to see the product image here. Yes, we're able to see the information here or not.
Yes,
We're
sir.
able to see the information. What are the information is there? That information we're able to see here, not an issue here. Next one, guys. After seeing that information, guys, after seeing that information, what are the information is there? That information we're able to see. After seeing that information, guys, next one, guys, we are getting this less than
Yes,
symbol
sir.
here from
This is a th tag. Please.
th tag, na?
Th tag. Th tag. Yes,
Hmm.
sir.
th tag. Yes, extra is there, na?
Extra.
Extra is there. Extra is there. So PID, PNAME, PCAST, PMS, something is there. Guys, draw the go to here itself. We need to go to the here itself again. After going to here itself again, guys, can I take the documented dot right? Can I take the documented
Yes.
right again? Yes, sir. We should be in a
Yes.
position we
We need to
take the
print the
documented
row
right
into
again.
the table, na, sir?
Yeah, say this one here. Yes, we need
Yes.
to print out. So, but before going to that one, can I take the for loop here? We need to take the for
Okay,
loop
okay,
now.
okay. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
Yes, we need to take the for loop now. Is it a array?
Is
Is
it?
it a
Yes.
Yes,
array?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Result dot rows is the array. Dot. Which function we need to take? We should be in a
For
position.
each.
We need to take the
For
for each
each.
function. For each function here, the argument is the, what is the argument we need to pass? Callback function we need to pass. Callback function we need to pass. Next one. Here itself, we need to pass the each record. Each record we need to pass. That each record we need to print here. That each record. What are the each record is there? That each record we need to print here. Try to print each record here. Here itself, what are the each record is there? That each record we need to print. Check it here.
Okay.
Whether the for each loop working or not, we need to check here.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
working.
guys. No. It is saying what?
No.
For each.
For each.
For
not
each
function.
Not
is
a
not a
function.
function.
I think for each spelling.
No, correct, na? It's a correct
Spelling
one.
is correct.
No, correct one. For each function is correct one. Fine. Guys, give me the second here. Result dot rows. Yes or not? Result dot rows.
For
Can you are saying for loop, na?
For
For
I is equal to 0.
variable
zero.
equal to I0, I equal to 0,
I less than length.
I less
I
than
just
I less
for
than
loop.
result dot
result dot row dot
rows
row dot
rows
length.
result dot rows dot
Rows
what you
dot
want to
length.
place length. GTH na GTH na guys, result dot rows dot length. Yes or not? Next one.
Yes, sir.
What is the next one we need to place again? I plus
Comma.
plus na.
Plus.
Next one is the what you wanted to place.
Increment
I
of
plus
what?
plus again.
Yes.
I plus plus we need to place. Check the print the I here first of all. We need to print the I again.
Yes.
Guys, some methods may not work into this environment, guys. Say this one here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something we are getting now. Guys, pass the tie to whom? Pass the tie to the say this one here. Let each record equal to result dot rows of I na. Result dot rows of I. No I.
Yes, sir.
Result dot rows of I. Console dot log of record. Console dot
REC.
log of what you wanted to place record. Yes, we are getting each record or not?
Awesome, great, sir.
Very
Yeah.
We are getting the each record here. Next one, guys. Can I take the for loop here? Can I take the for loop here? Is it
Yes.
possible to take the for loop here? Is it possible to take the table here? Documented or write off.
Yes.
Documented write off. Say this one here. Can I take the table row here? Can I take the table row here? We should be in a
Yes.
position. We need to take the table row. After taking the table row here, can I take the table column here? Can I take
Yes.
the table column here?
Yes.
Whatever the table column is there. Whatever the table column is there, that table column we need to take. How many table columms? 4 table columns now. We need to take the 4 table columns. Say this one here. Guys, say this one here. This is the object now.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
the object now. Yes, sir. That object contain what? Product ID na. That object
Yes,
contain
yes.
product ID na? Yes, guys. What is the answer we are getting here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are getting or not?
Yes,
sir.
getting.
Respond here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are getting here. Next one, see this one, guys. This is the each JSON object now. This is the
Yes.
each
Yes,
JSON
sir.
object now. Yes, sir. This
Yes,
is
sir.
the each JSON object.
Dollar
Dollar, curly
REC
brackets,
dot
recorded
P
dot,
name.
recorded dot,
P9.
what you
P
wanted
name.
to place, P name. Recorded dot P name here. So automatically we're able to get all the products now. Can I get the product cost also
Sir,
now?
we can
Yes.
Can I get
use
the
the
product
dollar
cost
sign
also
for
now?
PHP, na sir?
No PHP
No,
because I'm
template.
using the backtick operator. So if
No,
you
no.
use the backtick
Dollar,
operator,
dollar. The dollar
dollar.
operator.
If you use the backtick operator to print that one, this is sign we need to use. Recorded dot, what you wanted to place here?
P-cost.
Recorded dot pcost. Yes, we are able to print the pcost. Can I display the image also? Can I
Yes.
display the image
Yes.
also? Image
IM.
width equal
Image
to
tag.
image width equal to 100 pixels. Height equal to how much height you need to place 100 pixels. Image width equal to 100 pixel. Height equal to 100 pixel. Source equal to each record stored here na.
Yes.
Each record stored here na. Can I read that record? Can I read the
REC
record?
dot
Dollar curly
dollar
brackets recorded dot
dot
product
dot
image na.
image.
Product image. Simply we need to place the product image. So whatever the product image is there, that product image we need to place. Next one, guys. Can I draw the border for the table?
Yes.
Can I go for can I close the table first of
Table
all?
border.
Can I close
Yes.
the table first of
table
all? We
tag,
should be in a
yes, sir.
position. We should be in a position. We need to close that table first of all. How can I close that one? How can I close that one? Documented on documented on write off. Documented out of write off. Documented write off. How we can close again? Here itself.
Yes,
Here
sir.
itself. We need to close the table tag. Simply we need to close the table tag. Guys, how to draw the border to the table? How to draw
Table
the border to
equal
the
to
table?
1.
At least we need to draw the table here, border here. How can I draw the border here? Table border equal to table border equal to what? 1. Table border equal to 1. Automatically we can draw the border. How to display exactly at the center? How to display exactly at the center? We need to say this
Align
one
equal
here.
to center.
Align equal to
Align
we should be in a position. We need to place the center. We can display exactly at the center. Guys, next one. One more point is the style equal to see this one again. Guys, style equal to which style we need to place? Style equal to text align. JSON object na. JSON
Yes.
object na.
JSON object.
JSON object. Text align equal to what you wanted to place center. Maybe wrong guys. So the syntax is the wrong. Style equal to text align equal to center. Maybe the syntax is the wrong. The syntax is the wrong. Even the wrong, it won't show any error here. That's one of the big headache. Even the wrong here, it never throw any error. Syntax is the wrong because we are not aware about the syntax again. See this one here, text align equal to we should be in a position we need to place
all under the single quotation, sir.
Just to place under the single quotations. Leave it here. Don't stuck there itself here. Next one. How to apply the cell padding here? Cell padding equal to 10 pixels. Yes, guys, how to apply the cell spacing here? Cell spacing equal to we should be in a position 10 pixel. Cell spacing equal to 10 pixel. Guys, this is the data coming from where? Is it a local data? No, here. This data coming from where? Respond here, whatever the data is there. That data we're able to getting from where? WebSQL na.
Yes.
Say this one can. Whatever the response is there, that response we're able to get from the WebSQL itself. Really wonderful, guys. Say this one. Guys, did you observe this one? Even though if you don't know that concept, I'm saying here, I don't know that topic. Based on my previous experience, I need to verify the API with the Google itself. After verifying the API with the Google itself, then we need to complete our application.
Actually,
So
you sir, you know language philosophy. You know how to.
Yeah, I think Shankar, unhappy point. You know the unhappy point. Na? Our syntax is right here. I think Saurav, he told sir, your syntax is wrong. Na? See this one here. Insert into products. I place one syntax. Na? If it is working here, then we are feeling the happy here. Is it working? It's not working. Yes or not? So language to language, the standards are the different. But even if I place the insert into products values or something, it should work. If it is work, then I can give the respect to my learning here. Or if I'm not placing here, that is not working. This is syntax is working here. Yeah, I think something. These things are, guys, never put the focus there itself. Don't do the R&D about it. Are why that syntax is not working? This syntax is working. Never leave it. As a developer, guys, I'm saying here, not a trainer. My words not like a trainer. My words like a developer here. My thinking is, task is there now, output is getting or not. That's it here. Task manager given the task or not in the Jira tool. In the Jira tool, whether we are receiving the ticket or not, whether we resolve that ticket or not. Never do the R&D regarding like, sir, why that previous syntax not working, this syntax is working. Myself, my psychological feeling, I'm saying completely I will throw it out. If it is working, well and good. If it's not working, we will leave it here. So now it is working is what? Now it is, this is syntax is working. Previous syntax is not working here. Fun. And like this also, guys, to say this one here. We done the creating the table, inserting the table, next one is getting the table. Just to do yourself, guys, just to do yourself here, update the information.
Update the information.
Update the information.
Sir, hello. Sir, in terminal image is not showing there, sir. When
this
we
one,
when
you see
you
this one.
when,
We're able to see the image now. No, in our system not showing na.
No.
In our system not showing na. I'm asking the question. In our system not showing na.
Sir, when you no. When you
In the console.log, the only path are required.
Path only. No, in the console we are able to see the path.
Yes,
no,
sir.
only string path. We need to
Yes,
see the
sir.
only string path. That's it. Only path we need. Image we can't see. Only path we are able to see. Fun.
Yes.
Tell the functions once again. Shankar, tell the API functions. What is the first function? What is the first function?
is
Open.
yes, sir.
What is the
Open
first
database.
function?
Open
First
database,
function is
sir.
the open database
database.
function. Na?
Yes,
First
sir.
function
Yes,
is the,
sir.
what is the first function? The first function is the open database
Open
function.
database.
What is the second function?
A
What is the
transaction.
second function?
Callback.
Second function is the transaction function.
Transaction.
Function. What is the third function? What is the third function?
Execute SQL.
Execute
the
SQL function.
Execute
One more.
SQL.
One more function is then the function is the execute SQL function. These three functions are available with the open web SQL.
Open
Okay, na? Fine. Please go through up to now, guys. In the tomorrow session, guys. Maybe tomorrow, guys. Maybe tomorrow I will take some extra sessions here. Like maybe anyhow within 3 days, guys, 3 to 4 days, I need to course this HTML5. So in the tomorrow session, guys, I need to go further some extra sessions which is related to like that forms we need to put some focus, guys. What are the forms are there? That forms we need to put the more focus on the forms itself. Okay, na? Fine.
Yes.
Before
the canvas,
joining,
canvas
yeah.
JPG are remaining, sir.
Canvas,
Sir,
Canvas animation.
only 3 to 4 topics are left.
Yes.
Yes. Tell me.
Yes, sir. I'm
dot-
asking. We learn web SQL, but what is the need where it used?
No,
Tell something about web SQL.
Shankar, that is a point I'm saying here. That is one of the facility provided by that people. That's it here. We may not use in the real time. I think, I hope in my experience also, I didn't use that one in the where in the front end side. But front end provided that feature. What are the feature is that feature provided to the front end itself. Not only that one. You know the mobiles, na? You know the Android. Have you heard about the Android? If you go for the Android course also, your mobile phone is there na, your mobile phone also supporting the WebSQL. You may ask, sir, where we are using. Maybe if you want to use a SQLite database, if you wanted to use it, just ignore it. You may feel like there is one of the feature provided by the browser itself. In the real time, very less usage, much less usage is there. Tell me, Shankar, I'm listening to your question.
Yeah, sir. I just asking, but these guys.
Yeah, you were asking like use case. Yes, sir. Your question is the use case.
Use case.
Yeah, use case. I think I didn't see any use case in the real time also. Very less uses. That's it. Feature is there. That's it. The feature provided by the browser itself. Maybe in the future, if any chances are that we can use it, or just ignore it. In the real time also, no one will use that WebSQL. Everyone depending on the cloud databases now. Yes, less rare usages. Next question.
And we can use the no SQL, na, sir?
Always we need to use the cloud databases. Don't go for the client side databases. Okay. Yes, fine. Yeah, please go. Any question, Shankar? Still?
No, sir. No.
Yes, guys. So please go through up to now in the tomorrow session, guys. We need to go for some other thing, guys. Whatever the class I'm taking care, guys, enhance that class. Okay, now I'm giving the basic knowledge that class you people need to enhance it. Need to enhance yourself, guys. So you know something I'm missing here. What I'm missing here, that use cases or something I'm missing here. So after completion of the class, you should be strong in that one. Once if you go for the tomorrow in the class, like how to update the data, something. If anyone asking the questions with the web SQL, you should be in a position to answer yourself. That is the responsibility goes to you, your people only. Try to prepare that one. Okay, now fine. Thank you guys. Bye.
Sir, from tomorrow, Bootstrap class will be started.
No, Bootstrap on the 24th onwards.
24th. Okay.